What's up, guys? Welcome to my another video from Best Software Deals, the best place to get insane deals on business software. Number 1 digital marketplace for entrepreneurs. Today, I'm showing you how to use Fineguide, the best way to customize AI assistants to enhance customer interactions, reduce response times, and cut costs. With Fineguide, you can create AI assistants designed for specific roles that integrate with your website. Just name it and then choose the owner, role, and AI model. Now it's time to upload training materials like text files. If you want to use as well as simply modify the crawl settings so your assistant can keep training in the background. Fineguide out-of-the-box multifunctional chat assistants are what really set it apart from the competition. Building your own assistants can get messy and generate unexpected results. That's why Fineguide created predefined system prompts for every role to guarantee the best possible experience for your customers. You can always develop your own system prompts too, but Fineguide's little shortcut helps you get the job done faster. Fineguide's basic plan offers just enough to get started, but if you're looking for big perks, I recommend upgrading. With Tier 2, you'll get 15,000 monthly AI credits, 15 assistants, access to Claude's 3.5 Sonnet, and more. Do you run an agency? Then buy the Tier 3 plan to unlock 4,500 monthly AI credits, 50 assistants, and get access to Claude's 3.5 Sonnet and GPT-4. Okay, let's get back to the video. Assistants are only as their personality. That's why Fineguide lets you adjust persuasiveness and verbosity. Just depends on whether you want a chatty assistant or one that gets straight to the point. You can also customize the colors and pick a window design. From there, you can preview and test it out. But even the best AI assistants can't replace that personal human touch. So Fineguide integrates a ticketing system that users can use to contact your support team. Your team will receive email notifications for every new ticket. And if you're already using Zendesk or Help Scout, you can easily integrate your account and let assistants handle even more inquiries. Speaking of integrations, Fineguide got these wicked cool widgets that can enhance your AI assistants. For instance, you can connect Calendly to let users book calls with your sales reps or support agents, or connect Currency Tools to share real-time financial and crypto updates. Now, anytime someone asks about money, the AI assistant knows exactly how to respond. Wrap on Fineguide. If you're ready to level up your customer service, then click that Buy Now button to lock in your lifetime access to Fineguide today.